If you go to the market or you go to a store or you go on a website to buy something, what is that thing that makes you choose the one you decide to choose and buy? Definitely the features, the benefits, and reasons why you should buy the item, and how well they are able to convince you to buy the item. In a physical store, it's different because you will see the sales rep or you will see the store attendants. They will attend to you. You ask questions. They will tell you, oh, Oga, buy this one now. Madam, buy this one now. This one fine. This one will last. This is made of this. This is made of that. They are trying to sell the item to you based on the benefits, the features, and the value you would derive from it. That is when it is physical. But what happens when it is an online store? You have to read about the item, check the pictures of the item, look inside the item, connect with the item for you to see maybe it will meet your taste. Now, this is exactly how buyers buy things on Amazon. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write the best description, the book description that sells, the type of book description that if buyers see it, they would not even want to check another book. This is because there are some key elements that a book description should have, and once your book have those key elements, trust me, you are going to keep making sales as long as your book is ranking. So I'm going to teach you two different methods on how to write book description as if you are writing a blog post, so that when buyers stumble on your page, the description is going to keep them hooked to the extent that they will now buy that book. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Legal Naira, and all I do every day is to put a smile on your face and money in your bank account by teaching you different legitimate ways to make money online and offline. If this is something you're interested in, like this video, hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so that the next time I post awesome videos like this, YouTube will give you instant notification. So I'm going to teach you two methods. The two methods are very, very effective. Just choose the one that suits you and the type of book you write. Let's get started. The first method is by giving ChatGPT a comprehensive prompt so that ChatGPT would now generate a comprehensive, captivating, and appealing book description for us. ChatGPT will do everything from beginning to end, and then you can now do little edits based on the book you wrote. But if you had used ChatGPT to generate content for the book earlier, you can tell ChatGPT to give you description based on the content it just gave you, just generated for you. If you didn't use ChatGPT to get the book or the book content, you can now tweak the prompt to suit the book so that ChatGPT will give you something very nice. Let me give you one prompt. If you remember in my previous videos where I talked about prompting and how to prompt ChatGPT or any AI, I told you that you need to first teach the application how to respond to you. These applications usually learn, so they would learn what you want, the kind of response you want based on what you tell them to do. So whenever you want to prompt them, you need to first teach them what you want to do so that they will give you the best output. In this case, we are using ChatGPT to generate the complete description. This is the first method. And the prompt says, I want to write a book description for a Tokyo travel guide. Now, you are telling ChatGPT what you want to do. The description is intended to sell this travel guide to interested buyers looking to learn about or visit Tokyo. Now, you are telling ChatGPT the reason you need this description so that it will know where to go and fetch, or the kind of information it will fetch for you. Now you're telling it the duty or the task you want from it. You need to input all relevant attention grabbing keywords related to Tokyo travel, tourism, fun, and adventure. You see, you are now giving it an input, what you want from it based on the description that you are trying to write. Then you ask, is this something you can do? Always ask ChatGPT this question as the first question so that it will be like a conversation. Two of you are talking. So, you know, this is your writing assistant. You need to explain what you want in details so that it will also know what to give back to you in details. Once you do this, you hit enter. Absolutely, here is a polished and attention-grabbing book description for your Tokyo travel guide. It will start writing it, but no, that is not what we want. You will stop it. When it started writing, I stopped it because we need to give it some instructions on how to structure the travel guide for us. Let me give you another prompt. Now, we want to give ChatGPT the main key points of what we want inside our description. These are the things that when they are inside your description, buyers will not be able to leave your page until they buy your book. At least you make like 6 out of every 10 sales from people who stumble on that page, which is a good number, right? So the next prompt you're going to give now is start with an introduction about the location and its attractions, and continue with explaining the key points like what you get from this book, why you should buy this travel guide, who should read this book, what sets this book apart, and a powerful call to action that buyers cannot resist but buy this book. Once you tell ChatGPT this, it will give you a description that even you that is using ChatGPT would want to buy the book if you had seen the book randomly. So let's quickly generate the content and you would see. As you can see, ChatGPT is already giving us beautiful content based on our Tokyo travel guide. If you are into other niches like cookbook, relationship, you can adjust this prompt to suit your book. Everything is going to be the same. The process is the same. Just adjust the prompt to suit your book. For example, where I said I want to write a book description for a Tokyo travel guide, you would say I need a book description for a diabetes cookbook or a kidney disease cookbook. The description is intended to sell the travel guide. Yours is going to be the description is intended to sell the cookbook or the relationship guide or any type of book you are writing to interested buyers looking to learn about Tokyo. For diabetes, you say looking to regulate their sugar level or looking to reverse their diabetes. You need to input relevant attention-grabbing keywords related to Tokyo travel guide. In your case, you now say you need to input relevant attention-grabbing keywords related to diabetes management or kidney disease prevention or relationship or keeping a strong relationship or building a strong relationship. Is this something you can do? Then you ask. Sometimes you can even say don't write yet. First answer, is this something you can do? It will now reply you that it can do it before you now give the second prompt. You can use the same process for the second prompt. So it is done generating our description. As you can see, this is a powerful description with each section well outlined. Let's copy this and check it out on Microsoft Word so we'll see how beautiful this description is. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm not going to read it line by line, but this is a description that you would not want to miss. Explore Tokyo like never before. That is the heading. A description must have heading. If your description does not have heading, it does not mean the book will not sell, but when a description has heading, it gives the buyer an idea of what they are coming to meet. You see, the best way to make that sale is to put the buyer in the mood. A buyer who wants to learn about Tokyo or who wants to go on vacation to Tokyo would most likely want to be in the mood like they are already there. So this description is saying explore Tokyo like never before. They are feeling like okay, let me see what is inside this book. A vibrant blend of tradition, innovation, and adventure. Anybody going for a vacation would want to experience the tradition of the people in that location, the innovative things in that area or the city, and the adventurous places they can go. This is what ChatGPT just did. Now it says, welcome to Tokyo, a city where ancient temples meet futuristic skylines. These are the kind of things buyers want to see when they want to go for a vacation in a location. So it continues by pointing out some very nice places they can visit in Tokyo, and it says with this place now that it says your travel guide title, you will now write Tokyo travel guide. You can now say with this Tokyo travel guide in hand. Let me quickly do that. As you can see, with this Tokyo travel guide in hand, you will uncover the secrets of this fascinating city like a true local. So it's telling the buyer or the potential buyer that if they have this travel guide, they would uncover Tokyo. They will explore Tokyo like they are living in Tokyo, because the travel guide covers everything they need to know as tourists in Tokyo. Are you understand? Are you following? This is how travel guide can shape the buyer's decision and make them buy your book. Now it says what you get from this book: comprehensive coverage, a deep dive into Tokyo's top attractions, hidden gems, and most visit neighborhoods. Insider tips: learn how to navigate the city's world-class transport system, where to find authentic sushi, and how to avoid tourist traps. I mean, when somebody's going for vacation, they want to enjoy the food, they want to understand the transport system in that city, because it is transportation that they'll be using to go from one place to another, and then they want to know how they can be safe in that city. And this is what the person is going to be getting if they buy this book. Everybody looking to go on vacation to Tokyo and sees this book will be interested in this, because the description is showing them what they will see inside your book. Now, it said exciting itineraries. As you know, in my travel guide video on my mentorship group, I taught how to get these travel itineraries so that buyers will understand that if they are going for 3 days or for 7 days, these are the best places they can go, with the locations, the address, the phone numbers to call in that location, and how they can plan their day. That is what this itinerary contains, and I taught my students how to get it in the mentorship group. So this publisher or the author is trying to tell the potential buyer that they will get this inside their book: cultural insights, festivals and all, practical advice from a travel support agent. It will also tell you why you should buy this book, written by a travel enthusiast. Everybody that wants to buy a book wants to buy from a professional. If I need a diabetes reversal book or diabetes management book, I would prefer to buy from somebody who is experienced, who either have been able to reverse their diabetes or is a health practitioner who knows about diabetes and have helped many people reverse their diabetes. If a random person just comes to talk to me about it, I will not listen to the person. I will rather listen to a professional. So it is telling the potential buyer that this book was written by a travel enthusiast, packed with stunning visuals and detailed maps. It's telling them that there's a map inside this book that can help them locate places in that city, designed for all budgets. So even if you are on a low budget, this book has the best places that you can visit on a budget. Who should read this book? As a buyer, one of these points outlined here must touch you. First time visitor, it's either this is the first time you are going to Tokyo, or seasoned traveler, or you've been going there before but you want to discover new parts or new experience in Tokyo, or foodies, shopaholics, history buffs. Foodies, shopaholics and history buffs. Either you like history, you just want to learn about Tokyo, or you like to taste different types of food, or you like shopping in beautiful malls or places. Anyone wanting a guide that's as exciting and dynamic as the city itself. That is a book that you can be reading and you feel like you're already in Tokyo. This book is for you. What sets this book apart? You see, all these things are the things that buyers will see and they will not be able to leave your book. Let's go straight to the call to action. It says whether you are planning for your first trip or the 5th, you now put your book title here again. Tokyo Travel Guide is the ultimate travel companion for unlocking the magic of Tokyo. Don't just visit Tokyo. Immerse yourself in its culture, savor its flavors, and live its energy. See the call to action. Grab your copy. You can now say click buy now to grab your copy and get ready to make unforgettable memories in one of the world's most exciting cities. Anybody that stumbles on this page and they want to go for a vacation in Tokyo, they go buy this book. They know if you run, they know if you escape them. This is how to craft compelling book descriptions using ChatGPT. Let me show you the second method. The second method also involves ChatGPT, but with a different approach. So this time, let's use a cookbook because we've used travel guide to explain the first one. Let's use a cookbook. Let's try kidney disease cookbook and then we search. Now, we want to see the best-selling kidney disease book. Whatever is making that kidney disease book sell in the description is what we want to copy. We want to use it inside our own kidney disease cookbook too. This is the bestseller. You open it in another tab. Scroll down to see if you can see another bestseller on this page. If you don't see anyone, look for any book that have low BSR and is selling very well with a lot of reviews. Look at this now. I can open this in another tab. It has 2,900 and something reviews. So let's open 2 of them in another tab and then we check their descriptions. Then we will copy their description and tell ChatGPT to rewrite it while keeping the context but changing the feel and tone, so that it will not be as if we copied somebody's description. So let's check the first one. This book is a best-selling book, this particular book. So once you open it, you click read more so that you'll be able to read the description. So you see, better science equals better kidney, renal diet, and higher patient success rate. So once you go through it, you read it and see that this makes sense. All you need to do is to copy it. Let's check the second one. This is another best-selling book. In fact, this book is selling very well. You click read more, better eating for healthier kidneys. I'm suspecting that this person copied the other person. We just check now, because this better eating for healthy kidney sounds like what we just read in the person's heading. What is common about these two books? You see that both of them have heading. This is the heading. This particular thing, this is the heading. You should always make sure that your book description have heading. It catches the attention of potential buyers. Look at it now. See this one too. This is the heading. As you can see, this is the heading. So let's go to this one and check. This one seems very short. I don't really like it. Let me come here, copy the description like this, take it to ChatGPT, and then give ChatGPT a prompt that it can use to rewrite it for you. Let me quickly do that. Now I said I want to paste a best-selling book description copied from Amazon. I need you to examine it and use the key points to recreate a unique book description for me. I want it better than the copied one and make it conversational. Once you put this make it conversational, you've automatically changed everything in the one you copied. Then you ask, is this something you can do? Let's see what ChatGPT will say. It says, yes, I can help you with that. Paste the book description and I'll examine its structure, key points and tone. Then I'll recreate a unique conversational and improved version tailored to your Tokyo travel guide. You see that it does not know. It is still thinking that we are talking about Tokyo. You would have to remind it to, that's what we call machine learning. You have to tell it that no, this one is about a kidney disease cookbook. As you can see, not the Tokyo travel guide. This one is about the kidney disease cookbook. Let's see what it will say. Got it. Please paste the description you would like me to use as a reference, and I'll craft a unique improved version for your kidney disease cookbook. Now we have brought it to our reality. It was thinking it is Tokyo travel guide we want to write about, but now we have told ChatGPT that this is for a kidney disease cookbook. So you just paste the description, then you click go. You will see what ChatGPT will provide. Look at it now, where it says better science equals better kidney. ChatGPT says take charge of your kidney health. Delicious science-backed recipes for every stage of chronic kidney disease. Excellent. I'm okay with this. Now look at the introduction, just the way it gave us the other one the other time. Here is what you will discover inside this book, why this book is different. Start your journey today. Let's copy this. This is our Microsoft Word. Then we paste it. You will see that this is another mind-blowing book description. So you don't need to stress yourself too much. ChatGPT can do the work for you. Living with kidney disease can be overwhelming, but managing your health doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor or fun in the kitchen. Wait, you don't put your own kidney disease cookbook title. You will discover how the right foods paired with a proven scientific approach can make a world of difference. This is how to write a captivating and irresistible, compelling book description that would sell your book and even give you the bestseller badge if your promotions and keywords are done right. I hope you learned something powerful from this video today. Please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, quickly subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you will get instant notifications whenever I post videos like this. And by liking the video, YouTube will understand that this video has a lot of value and they would show more people that will be interested in seeing videos like this. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section down below. If you also have any video requests, ask in the comment section down below and I'll try to create the video for you. Remember, my updates are always up to date. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.